How to change to a virtual avatar in Google Meet on Android. This tutorial shows you how to replace your video feed with an animated virtual avatar during a call. First, open Google Meet on your Android device and join or create a meeting for a call. After that, make sure your video feed is turned on, then tap on it to make it larger. From there, tap on the person icon to open the background and effects panel. At this point, instead of selecting a background, this time tap on the Filters tab at the top. In the next step, scroll through the available options and you will see a variety of virtual avatars to choose from. Following this, uh, tap on any avatar you like and it will immediately replace your real video feed with the animated avatar. Finally, the avatar will move and react in real time according to your facial movements, so it stays in sync with you throughout the call. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you set up a virtual avatar in Google Meet, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.